door just arrived.
Huh? Oh, she
Your door
just...
just arrived. I think we may have one more.
Okay, that's fine. You have enough salad here. You have enough.
And Ann, I think we've met.
Oh, hello. How you
Mary
doing?
Stewart is
Good
my
to
name.
see you,
Yeah.
darling. Thank you. Thank you.
But thank you. How
Yeah,
gracious of
I
you.
myou guys some salad.
Oh, I wish I could give you a 5-hour nap. That would be the best gift.
Thank you. Hey, how you doing? Good to see you.
You doing okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Great.
Good to see you all.
You're taking such good care of her.
Thank you, darling. Thank you. This is one of my friend's favorite egg, sausage with egg, and she likes it a lot. And then you can chop in some fruits like avocado if you have avocado. But here I use cantaloupe and I use pineapples. Omelette sausage and bagels. It looks so beautiful and it tastes yummy. Guys, try this. You're gonna love it. It's something you can make for your breakfast. Your children will also love it. You can have it with juice. You can have it with maybe any kind of fruits drink that you like, or with your tea or coffee. Yep. And look at everything was just gone in a minute. It's gonna be a sunny day.
Oh, a sunny day.
It's gonna be a sunny day.
This worked out real. Man, this is nice.
That's so beautiful. It's so beautiful.
This is nice.
It's a beautiful idea and so sweet and generous. I appreciate it.
Yeah. Well, you're a very special person, and I just enjoyed the last few weeks walking with you more and stuff.
Yeah.
And we just never, when we were working with the Institute
Against her and sometimes with her, but not in our regular party.
of the Bridge Friend, I forgot about that. That was for many years too.
Yeah, I did the Bridge Club for a long time.
Yeah. Okay.
I used to play a couple times a week. It's funny, isn't it? I think about going and sitting down and playing bridge in a big room. It's funny when I think about it now.
That was good. I played a little bit, I enjoyed it. But you have to keep at it.
Yeah.
You have
And
to.
you have to know, in the Bridge Club, you have to know all of these.
Mary, she's so efficient.
She is.
Always running around doing something. Marianne Strader, she's fun. I was
So
fortunate to
we
come
all
across everybody.
volunteered at the same time? Isn't that
Yeah.
interesting?
Yeah.
How that worked out.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, and who is this?
Yeah.
Who is this little lady here?
That's Ann right there. It's so beautiful.
You have your name on the back of it.
Her name.
Yeah, okay.
I'm going to put excellent caregiver.
One of these my ladies will be traveling, and that's why we are putting pictures together. We decided to gift her photo album. Please guys, subscribe and like this video. It's one of my old videos. Come on guys, say hello. Hello. You guys are such a precious blessings. I love you guys. Seeing all of you, I was like, woo, these are gifts from heaven. I wish you all the best. Okay? Hope you all have a pleasant holiday. Are you guys on holiday?
Yeah.
Oh, CPI just got their holiday.
We have fall break from
Oh, okay.
fall break.
All right. You all enjoy it, okay? Love you guys. Bye. Enjoy. He's just trying to get relaxed, It takes a little. Miss Judy has been asking after you, baby. Be nice to Miss Judy. She's been asking me about you. She said, bring him. I want to carry him. Every time she sees him on the picture, she said, I want to carry him. So I said, let me offer this moment to Miss Judy.
I won't carry him. I might.
Dada.
He doesn't cry except if he wants to eat. He's such a very sweet baby. Breastfeeding, he's eating too much.
He's eating
Dada,
like
Dada, look at you.
applesauce and stuff like that.
No, yeah, he tried to get him off.
No,
I
no,
tried giving him those things.
but he's still happy breastfeeding. So, yeah, but I'll be ready to eat soon.
He doesn't like to eat any other thing.
Oh, very soon he'll be eating any other thing. Don't worry, very soon you'll be eating applesauce and everything.
Ebubechukwu loves to play with his grandpa a lot. He just loves to play with him, and I love to watch them.
Look at you and your grandpa.
Yeah. Yeah. Why not talk
Look at you and your grandpa. Waka waka. All song ka ego ga na church on Sunday. I ha go ga na church naked na. My big boy. Look at my big baby. See my big papa. See my baby. One thing I have discovered about Chidi Ebube is anytime we come out, if he has opportunity, he wants to run all over the place, play with sand, just do those stuffs we did when we were little kids. It's so incredible. Every of us did it. Oh, where to get? Hapụrụ m ya biko. Ngwanụ, ị nwere power like him. He'll be running like he knows where he's going to. I don't need it. Ouch. Ekwe order. Come see Grandpa. Clean baby. Clean baby. I gotta clean it here. Happy or go on no. Actually explore everywhere. Okay.
Sometimes you just have to have a good reason to stay away from home and let your family really, really miss you and show you how much they love and miss you. And this was a time like that. Children just love to touch everything they see. They want to explore everything.
Oh my God, he just wants to play. Lord, that please. There will be things we have strength as his.
I missed him so much, and I'm happy he came to see me.
Say it, da. Say it, da. Thank you for coming to see Grandma. Again, mechata. Koblo mutara oge ejide ya jide. Okwu ogbuge gị mgbu. Papa. Thank you, da. Papa. Ngwan, this is for you and your friends. They are coming to spend the time with you.
Two more, Annie. Two more just arrived.
Huh? Oh, she
Two more
just...
arrived. I think we may have one more.
Okay, that's fine. You have enough salad here. You have enough.
And Anne, I think we've met
Oh, hello. How you
Mary
doing?
Stewart is
Good
my
to
name.
see you,
Yeah,
darling.
I'm tired, bless
Thank you.
you.
Thank you, Mom.
But thank you.
Yeah, I made you guys some salad.
I wish I could give you a 5-hour nap. That would be the best gift.
Thank you. Hey, how you doing? Good to see you.
You're doing okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Great.
Good to see you all.
You're taking such good care of her.
Thank you, darling. Thank you. Please like and share this video. I've been trying to upload this like forever. Gucci Team, be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves the merciful hearts.